The PRT routing table, T11 router and T30 extractor make the ultimate routing setup. With key features such as quick release clamps to fix the router to the table easily and securely. The table surface has an aperture which gives access to the T11's quick razor, allowing for easy adjustment of cutter height. Fully adjustable fence cheeks to allow for various cutter diameters. A large dust extraction port on the back fence for better clearance of wood chippings and fine dust. The router's power is easily controlled using the included no-volt safety switch. Completing this routing setup are the safety finger pressure guards, which help keep the material stable whilst machining and also help prevent kickback.